Watch out for the chicken feet in your soup. Story and pictures by Tommy De Paula. Now listen, Eugene. My grandma is nice, but she pinches my cheeks a lot, and her house is full of funny old stuff. She's always cooking, and she talks funny too. And Eugene, watch out for the chicken feet in your soup. Joy, mio bambino, how nice you come to see Grandma. Grandma, this is my friend Eugene. That's nice. You bring Eugenie to see Grandma. Come in, Ragazzi.
It's Eugene, ma'am. What's your grandma doing with us coats?
How nice you bring your nice coats to keep Grandma's bread dough warm so it rise nice. Caro, come, you, my Joey and Eugenie. I give you something nice to eat. Zuppa, nice chicken soup.
It's Eugene, ma'am. Psst. Joey, look.
Just for you nice boys, spaghetti mangia.
Boy, Joey, you sure eat a lot here.
Oh, I am full.
I love spaghetti.
Joey, you not eating? Eugenie, eat everything all up. You're not going to grow up big and strong like Eugenie. Eugenie, you come with Joey's grandma and help her make her nice bread. We push the dough. Now we braid the dough and make circles and dolls. I'm finished. Now we put it all in the oven and bake it nice and brown.
Joey, look what your grandma gave me.
Joey, you take this home to your mama. And this is for my Joey. Because you, my special Joey. Arrivederci, Joey, Eugenie.
Hey Joey, I love your grandma.
Me too. The end.